So children, let us complete our PQs. Okay. Now for fifth block, open your page number 37 and see the first question. Write the ing words for the given verbs. So can you see the verbs there? Like, love, give, hope, stop, plan, hop, say, want, rain. So here, basing on the things which we discussed previously, the logic whatever is there, so dropping the E when CVC words means the words which have ending consonant, vowel, consonant. Such words, the last three letters of a verb where you can find consonant, vowel and consonant. So for that you want to double the consonant and you want to add ing. And for some words, if both the logics were not applicable, you can simply add ing and you can complete your first question. See the second question. You have 5 bits in that. So you want to read the poem and you want to answer these questions. How does the river flow? So how the river is flowing? Already you had read regarding the river. So the river is flowing very fast and you can observe that it is going hundreds of miles, passing through the mills, valley. Okay. So basing on that you can complete your first one. Now second one, who brings the boats ashore? Now who is bringing the boats ashore? You can see there that someone is bringing the boats. Then who are they? Just observe it carefully. Okay. What does the poet describe in the poem? So observe that what is the poet describing regarding what he is describing. Basing on that you complete your third one. How do you think the little boy feels? Is he happy or sad? Why are you thinking so? Just basing on that. Can you see? What is he thinking about? So basing on his thinking you can say whether he is sad or happy. Okay. So then you want to write the feeling of the boy. And you want to draw the setting of the poem. Already you did it in the volume. So once again you draw the setting in your classwork and complete your second bit. Okay. Now see the third question which you can complete in your textbook only. Fill in the blanks with the verbs in brackets. Use is, am, are correctly before these verbs. So can you see there verbs were given in the brackets. So you want to use is, am, are, then the verb form will be having ing form. So you want to add ing form to the verbs. Okay. And also how to use is, am, are, you want to use them perfectly as you had seen before. So with I, am, with we, you, they, are, he, she, it, any names of boy, girl or animal or thing, only singular. For that we use is. So basing on that you want to complete your third question. Now let us move to the sixth question, because fourth and fifth are about Robert Louis Stevenson, a poet, which you want to search from the internet. So later we can do that. So first let us go for the sixth question. Write a sentence that tells about what is happening in each picture. Can you see the pictures, children? So in each picture they were doing one action. So basing on what action they are doing at present, as we discussed earlier, the present continuous tense means what they are doing at present. By seeing the picture what you can know. So you want to use is, am, are with an ing form and you want to write what they are doing. You can use the name for them or you can use any pronouns and you can write further. Now see the seventh one. Read the poem and draw what the poet describes in it. Underline the words that help you to draw. So the words which help you to draw means imagining. Means when you read that poem, what words, what things you can imagine, that all comes under imaginary words. Okay. Basing on them you want to draw. So let us read that poem. My Dog Does My Homework, written by Ken Nesbitt. My dog does my homework at home every night. He answers each question and gets them all right. There's only one problem with homework by Rover. I can't turn in work that's been slobbered all over. So, who is doing the homework? Whom can you remember here? My dog does my homework. Means there is a dog and homework doing. For that, what do we need? And each answers it is doing correct. And also, there's one problem with the homework by Rover. Means Rover is the name of the dog. I can't turn in work that's been slobbered all over. What do you mean by slobbered? Normally, we can see that the dog always releases its saliva from the mouth. So, when it is doing the homework and leaving the saliva on the book, what happens? Nearly total book is wet. So, it can't do that. Okay? So, since you have 2 days time, Saturday and Sunday, complete your PQs neatly in your classwork and send them through the WhatsApp. So, basing on this, Monday you can write an assessment and we can have an online class. Okay, children? So, Monday we can meet in an online class.